How to export video from Capcut to gallery. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna guide you that how you can export videos from Capcut to your gallery. So let's dive in. First, open your Capcut app and open the project that you want to work on. And once you open the project that you want to export, you have two options. You can click this cross sign, but if you do that, it will just save the video to your Capcut app but not to your gallery. So to export the video to your gallery, what you have to do is click this resolution option over here, and then you have to choose a resolution for your video. And once chosen, you have to come back and then click this arrow over here on the top right corner, and it's going to start exporting the video to your gallery. Please don't close Capcut or lock your screen while this process is happening, and let it complete. You'll see the progress over here. Once the process is complete and it's 100%, it's going to export the video to your gallery on your phone, and that's the process that you can follow to do so. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.